The top 5 business technology news stories from the past week. Number 5. Apple has filed 5 new patents for audio-related items that many believe are for an Apple car. The patents reference an enclosed environment and outline items such as speakers and a headrest. It has been rumored that Apple has been working on a car for many years, but nothing has been confirmed yet. Number 4. Regrowing teeth is a wish for many people that have accidentally lost some, and it may turn into a reality soon. A Japanese research team has successfully regrown teeth in animal experiments. The experiments prompted the growth of a third-generation tooth, after baby and adult teeth. The research targets people with anodontia, which is a condition where people have less than a full set of teeth. However, it could help many others. Number 3. A next-generation high-speed train in China has set a speed record traveling at 281 miles per hour, or 453 kilometers per hour during a test run. At these speeds, a trip by train between Beijing and Shanghai would take almost the same amount of time as a flight. This could drastically reduce carbon emissions for countries looking to be more environmentally friendly. Number 2. While it is possible to 3D print metal objects utilizing heat, this method doesn't work for things like heat-sensitive electronics. A new gel has been developed that allows items to be printed at room temperature. The gel uses a mix of metal nanoparticles and other solutions. The gel can be applied from the nozzle of a normal 3D printer, building each layer over time. Once the object is printed, drying will cause part of the solution to evaporate, leaving a metal structure which is highly electrically conductive. This new method could revolutionize manufacturing electronic components and devices. Number 1. Threads, the new Instagram-based app, has achieved massive success in less than 1 week of operation. It launched Wednesday, and by Thursday, there were 30 million sign-ups and 95 million posts. Threads looks to be a direct competitor of Twitter. While it is lacking some functionality, it is very likely those features will roll out in the near future.